2012 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates. The Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, alloy wheels, power steering, air conditioning, front, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.